Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on your bell because I do upload Monday through Friday. So let's get started. As you guys can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to show you how I revamp my kinky curly hair. This is from my website, prestigehumanhair.com. Sorry, I have something in my throat. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and section it off, and I'm gonna show you guys how I get this curl to get back on track. As you saw in my intro, them curls was popping, but right now it is not. So I'm gonna show you how I get it back, what products I put into the hair, and all of that good stuff. So I'm sectioning it off, and I'm gonna do one side on camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and pin it up. And then basically you just want to make sure that everything is secure out of the way. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my Carol's Daughter hair milk treatment. This is like a kinky curly treatment, and the Cantu leave-in condition. What I started doing first, I sprayed onto the hair. This is a Carol's Daughter. I did put more water into it because when you get it, it's very milky and thick. And also it's almost done. So I basically put some water into it, and then I spray it onto the hair, and then I'm going to use my leave-in condition. And I know that it looks like a lot that I put onto the hair right now, but trust me guys, it is not. It looks white when you put it on, and it looks very scary, but when the hair is fully completely dry, it will be so clear. There will be no white residue onto the hair at all. So what I'm doing right now, I'm starting from the ends of the hair, because when you have curly hair, and especially curly hair like this, you got to start from the end and work your way all the way up to the top. And as you can see that the curls are coming back to life, but you want to make sure that you comb it out because it's very coily. It's like this hair is like a 4C hair. If you have 4C hair, then you know what I'm talking about. So make sure that you put products into the hair. Don't be scared to like marinate your hair with products if you have hair texture like this, and then comb it out. And as you can see that the comb is going through really good, and you see the curls are coming back. And as you can see that my comb have a little bit of hair coming out, but not too much. You guys know that, you know, I don't play when it comes on to hair. I'm gonna give you guys the best hair that I can give you that's on the market. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray more into the hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and work the other section. But basically I'm just gonna speed this process up because it's just me putting the products in and combing it out, and then you're gonna see the curls coming right back. So look at them curls. Like, can you believe this? Look at them curls. It is so damn curly. I am in love. And if you do get this kind of hair that is on my website to purchase right now, just make sure that you use those kind of products that I'm using so that you could get your hair back to be curly. And also, a lot of people like to wear their hair very dry, like the way how it is right now, without any products, which is good if you like that kind of style, because you know, if you're African American, you could wear that style and it still look good, natural as ever. But if you want to have a little bit of curls and popping, you could just put the products that I'm putting right now. So let me stop talking and just watch this video. Okay guys, so I am back and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray some more of the carrot starter into the hair just so that the hair could definitely soak in all the moist and all of that good stuff. So you see that one side is completely done and the curls are really pretty. Like these curls matches the African American hair texture 4C, and even I think they have 4B or something like that. But I'm just going to show you one side and I'm going to show you the other side the way how it is. As I said, you can definitely wear this side just like this, because I see a lot of people wear hair just like that and it looks so natural, like it looks like their real hair. Or you could wear it like this. So pretty much it's up to you guys. As I said, the white residue is not going to be on it at all. So I went ahead off camera and I did the other side. And I'm gonna let it air dry. I'm gonna let it dry for like 2 hours, to be honest, and just go ahead back and just spray some more water, the carrot daughter, to the hair. And then I'm gonna go off camera and just make sure that it's fully dry, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how it looks onto my head. Like, you will never believe that this is not my hair if I didn't show you guys. If you guys did not follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me, because I did upload this picture of me having the hair on and everybody was like, whoa, this looks so natural. So as you can see, I am showing you closer how the curls are. Really pretty, really nice. I love this hair so much. This is like my everyday hair. And yeah, I'm gonna put the hair on off camera. And this is the way how it is, guys. I did went ahead and make a video of me doing this makeup look, so make sure you check that out. Pretty much, yeah, this is the way how it is. You see how it's dry? Well, it's not fully dry because some part is still wet at the back, but I'm gonna use my bedhead spray and just spray this side only because I am doing this video only for you guys. When I'm done, I'm gonna take this wig off. So I'm just gonna spray it to the side. And you guys know that the bed head is like my shit right now. So I'm trying to make sure that, you know, if I want it to be at the side or if I want it to be at the middle. But pretty much I'm just gonna put this on for you guys just to show you how it looks on my head. Okay, so I decided to wear it to the side. It looks so much better at the side. I just can't stop looking at this hair. It looks so damn natural. Like, are you kidding me? This is my hair. Okay, this is mine. But anyways, I'm just gonna sleek it down and just, like, you know, pull the baby hairs like a sweet motion, because I hate baby hairs. Like, if you watch all of my videos, you realize I don't put baby hairs onto my wigs. I don't like it. I just can't. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the bed head and blow dry it a little bit so that it could melt right into my skin. And pretty much this is the way how the wig is. Very curly, very nice. I love it so much, and I hope that when you do order this kind of hair or any kind of hair on my website, you love it the way how I love it. And as I said, I don't review any other hair vendors. Like, I review my own hair. You guys know that I rave about my hair, and I just hope that you guys love it too. As I said, I do sell mink lashes also, so make sure you guys check out my website. It will be down below in the description box. And yeah, let's continue to watch this video. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to tune in every single day, Monday through Friday, for more hair and makeup video. And leave a comment, tell me what you want me to do next, turn on that notification, and pretty much, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.